Correlation of biochemic salts with natal houses. Below is a detailed correlation between biochemic cell salts and natal houses based on their hormonal influence and physiological functions as per the second attachment. First house, body, constitution, brain, head, forehead, related functions and hormones, pituitary gland, frontal cortex, vitality, strength, appearance, brain, relevant cell salts. Ferrum phos supports oxygen transport and brain function, useful for inflammation and neuralgia, aligning with the pituitary and overall vitality. Calc phos, essential for bone and nerve development, correlating with constitution and strength. Nat mer, regulates water balance, supporting emotional stability, linked to the brain and psyche. Hag second house, face, throat, mouth, speech, thyroid. Related functions and hormones, thyroid and parathyroid glands, speech, eating, sensory attributes. Relevant cell salts, supports mucous membranes and throat health relating to speech and mouth functions. Calc fleur, maintains teeth and bone strength, supporting thyroid and parathyroid glands. Nat mer regulates fluid balance and supports emotional health linked to sensory perception. Third house, arms, hands, shoulders, nervous system, related functions and hormones, nervous system, communication, reflexes. Relevant cell salts, Kali phos, nerve tonic that supports cognitive function, aiding communication and reflexes, aligning with the nervous system. Mag phos, relieves muscle spasms and nerve pain, useful for the arms, hands and shoulders. Fourth house, chest, lungs, emotions, psychology, related functions and hormones, thymus gland, cerebral cortex, vagus nerve, emotions, water retention. Relevant cell salts, Kali mer, supports lung health and mucous membranes, aligning with the chest and lungs. Strengthens oxygen transport, helping with respiratory conditions and early inflammation. Fifth house, digestive system, liver, reproductive hormones, related functions and hormones, gastrin, pepsinogen, bile, pancreas, liver. Relevant cell salt Nat phos neutralizes acidity and aids in digestion, related to stomach and liver functions. Calc phos supports tissue repair and development, aligning with growth and cellular reproduction. Sixth house, small intestine, acute diseases, immune system, related functions and hormones, adrenal glands, immune system, hygiene. Relevant cell salts, boosts immune response and reduces inflammation, fitting for acute diseases and immune-related functions. Mag phos relieves digestive cramps, aligning with small intestine and abdominal health. Seventh house, sexual organs, libido, kidneys, related functions and hormones, estrogen, testosterone, gonad hormones, kidney function. Relevant cell salts Nat sulf supports liver detoxification and water regulation, aligning with kidney and bladder health. Promotes tissue health and supports reproductive functions, matching gonadal hormones. Eighth house, excretory system, toxicity, internal sexual organs. Related functions and hormones, endocrine system, toxicity, excretory functions. Relevant cell salts, aids in detoxification and water regulation, supporting excretory organs and internal sexual organs. Silica helps eliminate toxins and supports connective tissue repair, correlating with long-term illnesses and toxicity. Ninth house, hips, thighs, sacral region, pituitary gland. Related functions and hormones, pituitary gland, sciatic nerves. Relevant cell salts, calc phos, supports bone and tissue growth, aligning with the pituitary's growth hormone function. Ferrum phos supports muscle health and oxygen transport, aligning with vitality in the hips and thighs. 10th house, knees, skin, bones, related functions and hormones, parathyroid glands, skeletal system. Relevant cell salts, calc fluor, strengthens bones and tissues, aligning with knee and skeletal health. Silicea, supports bone and skin health, aligning with chronic bone and skin conditions. 11th house, calf circulatory system, related functions and hormones, hypothalamus, circulatory system. Relevant cell salts, boosts oxygen transport and circulation, aligning with circulatory health. Kali sulf aids oxygen transport, supporting circulatory functions and skin health. 12th house, feet, subconscious, lymphatic system, related functions and hormones, pineal gland, hypothalamus, fluid release, regulates water balance and supports emotional health, aligning with fluid retention and subconscious mind functions. Nat sulf helps detoxify the body and supports lymphatic function. aligning with fluid release and the lymphatic system. This table links the physiological and hormonal functions of each natal house with the most relevant biochemic cell salts, helping to address corresponding health concerns.